Hi, my name is Antti.
Finnish star Antti.
In this vlog, I'm going to race the Barcelona 24 hours with Porsche 992 GT3 Cup car. Let's go!
No, what a fantastic race we've got coming up.
It's the 720 Lamborghini. Start. Antti 929.
Tactic is no crashes.
Really dangerous. Alright, first stint done. Nice track. Good to be in Spain, good to be racing with Porsche. What happened?
Somebody crashed really bad. I think so.
Big accident.
A big one, yeah.
How's it going, man? Major setback, Konstantin had accident. Let's see, the front is damaged, he hit the wall. Let's see when the car recovers. So these guys are gonna have more work. Here's the car. On se aika paha. Konepelti on ihan pystyy. It is pretty bad.
You can always salvage parts from that car.
Yeah.
How much do you thinking I got it and I didn't get it?
Good thing is the wheels are on.
Huh?
The wheels are in the correct position. Our driving is done for today. The guys will fix the car for tomorrow. Looks like it's not too bad. Oh, it is bad, but not too bad. Alright, good stuff. We're gonna put the monkey suit again. So the guys are making preparations for tomorrow, changing drive shafts, stuff like that for the long one. Luckily today's accident was not too bad. You guys managed to fix it really quickly. You guys are doing a top job. We're gonna still go and look for the data and for the video.
Nico, you see?
He was quite late in the corner.
Yeah.
Possible repeat?
Here, you have a small blip of throttle. Yeah. There.
Yeah.
Pushes you slightly wide. And then you're off, on again. And your car is already sliding. And you slow it. Yeah. And because of that, it's just gone.
Yeah.
In the moment the push have allowed the
Steering. I will head to the hotel, take a shower.
Yeah.
We see outside.
Yeah.
We will look the data and video and have a beer
Why have one beer?
because we are professional.
That's why you're
I like a sense of humor.
See you tomorrow. All right, day 2, Friday. Here is Stefan from Autorama. He's gonna do tactics for us in this race. Stefan, what is important in here?
Yeah, the tactic is no crashes, safe drive, and safe fuel.
Yeah, stay out of trouble, save fuel.
Safe fuel, then we have a good chance to win.
Yeah, we need to follow the orders, follow the plan, what we do. And in the driver's side, it's really important. We don't crash, first of all.
Yeah.
And yeah, stay out of trouble and keep your head down. Let's go and check out the car. Yeah, this is the rig from real life. If you film from this side, you can see I put a little bit electrics on. You can adjust the steering from here. The seat is also been adjusted. We changed the gears behind the steering, like in the simulator. We have quite a few buttons here. High beam, where we can show the other cars that off, give space. Radio, we start the engine from here or here. Pit speed, if we activate it, it shows the speed and the gear. If it's red, we are going too fast. Wipers, full course yellow. From here, we have a rotation switch. If you look here, we can change the settings. So here I'm adjusting the brightness of the buttons and stuff like that. All right, qualifying starts in 10-15 minutes. It's interesting. It's a little bit new format. I think it's good. So Jim will go first, I'm second, and Konstantin will take the third stint.
A very warm welcome, everybody, and indeed welcome to the 24 Hours of Barcelona, the annual event here in Catalunya, with the first day of 3, essentially, with qualifying to take place in the next few moments.
So Jim will make the first stint. He's getting ready. Here is the tire oven, bloody hot. Tires are preheated, so we can straight from the box we can go flat out. Up in last chicane.
Yeah, okay.
HRT Performance's Porsche 19th quickest, that was Antti.
So my stint is done. Pretty decent. Lost 2 tenths in the last chicane, so didn't improve my second lap, but close. I think we were 3-4 tenths altogether. So quite good.
Nearly 40 cars to be tackling this annual event over Saturday and Sunday, but this being Friday night, a chance for night practice for everybody.
Night practice is done. We had a gearbox issue with KP, but it didn't appear later on anymore. Yeah, so tomorrow is the big day. Race start is 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Today was a good day, so next we're gonna have some beer.
Welcome to Barcelona and welcome to Catalunya, to be more specific, the northeastern corner of this great country, for the 23rd edition of the Hankook 24 Hours of Barcelona.
Race day, more or less everything ready. The plan was to do a lot of driver change practices, but at the moment we cannot do it. We did yesterday a lot. It's going well, but still more is more. We are starting from P6, which is okay for the 24 hours. Yeah, feeling is good. We have a good lineup, but we need to make a really good job to make it up to the podium. All the other teams are really strong lineups, so there is no space for faults. Or what you say?
Yeah, it's gonna be a good race. Should be fun. 24 hours to go.
Let's go.
Hey guys, we're going up to the grid with Antti. Antti is the first driver. You see, very crowded, many people. Antti, how is the feeling?
Feeling is good.
How we going?
A little bit hungry. First stint is always about staying out of trouble. Will be good fun. Yeah, like you see, we are middle of the pack, so really we need to look after the car.
What a fantastic race we've got coming up. We've got 30 different nationalities of drivers.
And now the grid being cleared with all manner of cars, different shapes and sizes, ready to get going for HRT Performance in the 929. Antti to start their German Porsche. Antti, more familiar in the TCR category, but getting more and more used to Porsche Cup cars these days. Here come the cars out of the chicane. The clock event. The 54, which didn't get away too well, but from the pole position, the 91 just about leaves the grid. See Mercedes, and up the inside will go Charles Espenlaub in the Merc.
Oh no! It's the 720 Lamborghini. We're back to green, so we're out then. The team that did get the memo that this is over 24 hours is the Phoenix Racing number 18.
Yeah.
I was speaking to Pierre Caffer this morning, and they said they're going to take a very conservative approach. He's the slowest driver in the car. He's their AM driver, and they're going to get Michael cycle through his minimum drive time.
First thing done. Weather is really hot. Took it easy. Took a look after the tires, but man, it feels like driving a wet tires from the start to the end. Unbelievable. You know, there is no point where you have grip. It's only sliding all the time. Luckily, the car is quite good balance, but yeah, and there came a crash in turn 1 just before me, so we were a little bit unlucky on that. We pitted straight, but we couldn't go to the fuel station, so Jim needs to make an extra lap, and we hope that the lap, that the Code 60 continues. Red Arm goes there, the leader. Here we come for a pit stop. So we had a really close call. This car was on fire in the fuel station. Not too bad, McLaren. So we had a really close call. We gained a pit stop again under the Code 60. Plus we've been saving fuel using the Code 60s. We have really good fuel situation still. P2 at the moment, but in pits we had a really a moment there. Luckily we escaped that without any damage to the mechanic.
Then it's the HRT Performance car, which leads 992, yes, with Konstantin Kletzer driving that.
So 4.5 hours done. Another Code 60, we don't know what happened, but we are ready. KP goes into the car. Our track position, yeah, we are just in a pit lane, so perfect. Did we manage to go to fuel?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So Redan went to double stint. We already did a double stint, so.
Not fast, but still.
But it's good. So we just needed to come for the fuel. And like an order, we got a Code 60. I was too soon happy. Fuel station has only 8 positions to fill. Fuel station was full. We had to make a drive-by, and then we had to pit on green. So we lost 2 laps now, but race is still long. So, but still, yeah, it was looking really good. But small setback.
Evening starts to get underway here. It's not quite dark, but the lights around the circuit are more prominent now.
As we go back out on track, the 929 car continues to circulate. Andy Burry chasing down that class leader.
Second in the 992s is the HRT Performance, the 929 numbered car, and the sister machine right behind it on the timing screen. They're 13th and 14th.
All right, second seat done. How much behind?
Lap and a half.
Not too bad. Car is working well. Long race to go.
2 hours.
We've had a contact. Really lucky. Look at this.
Make picture, look. Still air in it. It's full. Very good.
third stint done. Almost got hit by Lamborghini on a pit lane. They released, they got an unsafe release. Almost hit our car. Almost hit our mechanic. It was really dangerous. Stint was good. Jim is in the car. Konstantin goes next, and then I will do my fourth stint.
5:10 in the morning. 1 hour sleep.
Feel like shit. Looks like I'll be finishing the race, so I'll be doing a fifth stint. Let's see, maximum attack.
Just 5 more hours to go. Good morning, everybody. A fight, a nice one developing now within the Porsche Cup class between Sebastian Lajou in his own entered car by Duvo Racing, that is the 908, and he's being chased down by Finnish star Antti Burri.
The gap was 2.1 seconds. We don't need a stopwatch to see what that gap is now as they cross the line. Out on track, Antti Burri pulls alongside out of turn 3, heading to turn 4. The overall leader getting mixed in with this as well, as Indy Doncia, now at the wheel of the Flotlichspiegel team Monschau Ferrari, didn't really interfere with that place change, and the Ferrari has cleared the 2 Cup cars, the Porsche Cup cars now, and Antti Burri has made that move stick, and Antti Burri into 3rd place overall in the 992 class.
Antti Burri hustled that car into 3rd overall in the 992s in the latter stages, jumping ahead of Seb Lajou.
All right, P3 was a really exciting last stint. We were down 35 seconds. I had to chase that. Then I got a penalty from the track limits, 10 seconds. So we had to first catch the other guys and then make a gap of 10 seconds to clear out the penalty. But we managed to do that. We had a good pace. Yeah, P3, really good. Now shower.